Hello everyone, I am Teacher Baraka again. Today we are going to collect another different questions about science, okay? As you know, you have to take the paper and pen and write the answer on your paper. When I give you the answer on the board, you have to write the answer on your paper. Then when I write the answer you have to check if what you have write is correct or not. When it is correct, you have to give yourself the marks. When it is incorrect, you have to get 0 about that question, okay? Okay, we are going to start. The question number 1. Name 2 groups of living things. Question number 1. Name 2 groups of living things. See number 1A. Name 2 groups of living things. Write the answer on your paper, okay? Okay. The answer is the 2 groups of living things are plants and animals. Plants and animals. Number B. Question number B. Question number A, B. Question number A, B. To which group of living things do the following belong? To which group of living things do the following belong? I1. Human being. Dash. I2. Beans. Dash. I have to repeat that question number B. To which group of living things do the following belong? Human being. Dash. Beans. Dash. Write the answer on your paper, okay? The group of living things human being belong is animals, okay? While beans, it belong in plants, okay? Those are the answers. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2A. State 2 ways how animals depending on plants. A. State 2 ways how animals depending on plants. Write the answer on your paper, okay? Right? The answer is the 2 ways how animals depending on plants. It is for food. The animal eats plant, as you know. Animal eats plant. Another way, it is for oxygen. The plant releases oxygen during photosynthesis, which animals breathe, okay? For oxygen, the plant releases oxygen during photosynthesis, which animals breathe, okay? Number B. Which characteristics of living things enable them to increase in number? Which characteristics of living things enable them to increase in number? Write the answer on your paper. Answer is the living things increase in number through reproduction, okay? Question number C. Why is hen regarded as a living thing? Explain. Why is a hen regarded as a living thing? Write the answer on your paper. Why is a hen regarded as a living thing? Explain. The hen is a living thing because its characteristics of life, such as breathing, feeding, growing, reproducing, moving, okay? Yeah. The reason why the hen is regarded as a living thing, okay? Number D. Question number 2D. Why do you think that living organisms need food? Why do you think that living organisms need food? Write the answer on your paper. The answer is the living organisms need food to get energy, okay? To get energy. Number 2, the living organisms need food for growth. Number 3, the living organisms need food to repair damaged tissues. Yes. Number 4, the living organisms need food to stay healthy, okay? To get energy, for growth, to repair damaged tissues, to stay healthy. Question number 3. Give any two similarities between plants and animals. Give any two similarities between plants and animals. Write the answer on your paper, okay? Give any two similarities between plants and animals. Write the answer on your paper. Similarities between plants and animals. The answer is both of them grow, both of them reproduce, both of them breathe or respire, both of them die, okay? Plants and animals grow. Plants and animals reproduce. Plants and animals breathe. Plants and animals die, okay? Question number 4. State any causes of sickness in homes. State any causes of sickness in homes. Write the answer on your paper, okay? State any 2 causes of sickness in homes. The answer is the causes of sickness in our home are dirty, stagnant water, do not eat balanced diet. Question number 5. Mention any 2 diseases spread through blood. Mention any 2 diseases spread through blood. Write the answer on your paper, okay? Mention any 2 diseases spread through blood. Okay, the answer is the 2 diseases spread through blood are HIV/AIDS, AIDS, hepatitis B or C, malaria, Ebola, and so on. Match the diseases in column A to part of the effect in the column B, okay? We have A, bilharzia, number B, trachoma, number C, HIV, AIDS, scabies, otitis, colon B, skin, kidney, eyes, ears, blood, okay? Match the following. Write the answer on your paper. Answer is bilharzia take on kidney, okay? Trachoma take on the eyes. HIV and AIDS take place on the blood. Scabies on the skin. Otitis on the ear, okay? Question number 7. What are germs? What are germs? 7 number 8. What are germs? Write the answer on your paper, okay? What are germs? Okay, the answer is the germs are microscopic organisms that cause disease and infection to plants or animals. Are microscopic organisms that can cause diseases and infections to plants or animals, okay? Question number 7B. Name 4 types of germs. Name 4 types of germs. Write the answer on your paper. Write 4 types of germs. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Fungi, D. Protozoa. Question number 8. Explain how we can prevent the spread of diseases without the use of drugs or medicines. Explain how we can prevent the spread of diseases without the use of drugs or medicine. Write the answer on your paper. Explain how we can prevent the spread of diseases without the use of drugs or medicine. Explain. The answer is we have to prevent spread of disease without using of drugs or medicine by maintaining good personal hygiene. Maintaining good personal hygiene. Number B, environmental sanitation, safe food and water habit, okay? Proper waste disposal. Maintaining good personal hygiene, environment sanitation, safe food and water habit. Last one is proper waste disposal, okay? Those are the answer. Question number 9. Which germ is responsible for the following diseases below? Which germ is responsible for the following diseases below? Malaria, AIDS. The germ cause malaria is carried. Write the answer on your paper, please. The germs cause malaria. The germ cause malaria is carried Plasmodium. Plasmodium, okay? The germ cause malaria is carried Plasmodium, okay? The germs that cause AIDS is HIV. Okay? Those are the answer. Question number 10. Peter is a builder, and one day he forgot his tool outside at night. Early in the morning, he found his tools had developed brown color. I have to repeat that scenario. Peter is a builder, and one day he forgot his tool outside at night. Early in the morning, he found his tool had developed brown color. Question number 8. How do we call the brown substance which developed on the Peter's tools? How do we call the brown substance which developed on Peter's tools? Write the answer on your paper. How do we call the brown substance which developed on the Peter's tools? The answer is the brown substance which developed on the Peter's tools is rust or rusting. Rust. Number B. Describe any 3 conditions which enable the tool change in its color. Describe any 3 conditions which enable the tool change its color. Write the answer on your paper. Describe any 3 conditions which enable the tool change its color. Okay, the answer is 3 conditions which are enable the tool to change its color. Condition number 1 is moisture or water. Moisture or water, okay? Number B, oxygen. Air carried oxygen. Number C, the tool being made in iron or steel. Tool made in iron being made in iron or steel. Other condition is oxygen. The last condition is water or moisture. Okay. Number C. List down 2 ways how Peter should care for his tools. List down 2 ways how Peter should care for his tools. List down 2 ways how Peter should care for his tools. Write the answer on your paper. List down 2 ways how Peter should care for his tools. The answer is Peter should care for his tools by keeping tools in a good and dry place. Number B, oiling tools. Number C, cleaning tools after use. Number D, keeping tools in toolbox. Keeping tools in a good and dry place, oiling tools, cleaning tools after use, keeping tools in toolbox. Question number 11. State whether the following statements below are true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number A. A mason is also called a builder. True or false? The answer is true. Number B. Shovel is used to shape mortar between bricks. Shovel is used to shape mortar between bricks. True or false? The answer is false. Number C. Boots help to protect our hands from injuries. Boots help to protect our hands from injuries. True or false? The answer is false. Number D. Proper maintenance of tools make them last longer. Proper maintenance of tools makes them last longer. True or false? The answer is true. Last, mortar mixer is used for climbing the buildings. True or false? The answer is false. Question number 12. Why do blacksmiths heat metals? Write the answer on your paper. Why do blacksmiths heat metals? Okay. The answer is the blacksmith heat metals to make them soft and easy to hammer or to shape or to bend that metal, okay? To make them soft and easy to hammer, easy to shape, easy to bend them, okay? Use the following vocabularies in the box below to complete the missing gaps. Question number 13. Use the vocabulary in the box below to complete the missing gaps, okay? We have load, we have a simple machine, we have effort, we have machine, we have fulcrum, we have complex machine. Number 8. Dash 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 is any device which helps people to work. Complete the sentence. Dash 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 is any device which helps people to work. The answer of that question is a machine. Number B. Dash 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 is a turning point of a machine or a river. Write the answer on your paper. Dash 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 is a turning point of the machine or river. Write the answer. The answer is fulcrum. Fulcrum is the turning point of the machine of or river, okay? Number C, dash 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 is a machine made up of the few parts and makes people work easier. Dash 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 is a machine made up of a few parts and makes people work easy. Write the answer on your paper. The answer is simple machine. Simple machine is a machine made up a few parts and makes people work easier, okay? Question number D. Dash 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 is a mass of an object to be lifted by the machine. Is the mass of an object to be lifted by the machine. What is it? Answer the question. The answer is load. Load is the mass of an object to be lifted by the machine, okay? Number E. Dash 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 is made up of many parts of the simplified work. Dash 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 is made up of many parts and simplifies work. Dash 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 is made up of many parts and simplifies work. What is it? The answer is complex machine. The complex machine is made up of many parts of a simplified. The complex machine is made up of many parts and simplifies work. Okay. Number F. Dash 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 is the force applied to the machine to lift the load. Dash 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 is the force applied to the machine to lift the load. Write the answer on your paper. The answer is effort. Effort is the force applied to the machine to lift the work. Okay? To lift the load. Okay? Effort is the force applied to the machine to lift the load. Question number 14. State the law of levers. State the law of levers. Write the answer on your paper. State the law of lever. Lever is a balanced, where effort multiplied by its distance from the fulcrum is equal to the load multiplied by its distance, okay? From the fulcrum. Simply, when you take effort times effort arm is equal to the load times load arm, okay? That is the law of lever. Number 15. Joseph, weighing 90 kilograms, sits 6 meters away. The fulcrum, and balances with the Chantal, whose weight is 45 kilograms. Draw the sketch to represent the information above on the crowbar. Joseph, weighing 90 kilograms, sits 6 meters away the fulcrum and balances with Chantal, whose weight is 45 kilograms. So, draw a sketch to represent the information above on a crowbar. The answer, I have to draw the crowbar here, fulcrum in the middle, okay? Joseph here, weigh 90 kilogram. The distance from Joseph to fulcrum is 6 meters. Then from fulcrum, the distance from fulcrum to Chantal, you don't know, is the X. While Chantal weighs 45 kilograms. Okay, this is the sketch. You already draw the sketch. Okay, number B. How far is Chantal from the fulcrum? We use the law of river. We take 90 kilograms of Joseph times the distance from Joseph to Farikla times 6 meters equal 45 kilogram of Shento times X. Okay, then we multiply 90 meter times 90 kilogram times 6 meter equal 540 kilogram meter. Okay, equal 45x. Then x equal 45 kilograms x. Then x equal 540 kilogram meter divided by 45 kilogram. These kilograms removed, okay? Then we get 12 meter. Okay, this is the final answer. Question 16. Number 8. Dash 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 makes digging or plowing easier. Dash 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 makes digging or plowing easier. We have fertilizer, we have land clearing, you have sea leveling, you have manure. Which is the answer? Choose the correct answer here. Fertilizers, land clearing, leveling, manure. About those, which is makes digging or plowing easier. The answer is land clearing. Okay. Question 17. Single superphosphate is an example of dash dash fertilizer. If we have a chemical, we have organic, we have a natural, we have a none of those. What is the best answer here? The single superphosphate is an example of dash dash fertilizer. The answer is chemical fertilizer. This is the correct answer. Is chemical fertilizer. Number 18. Rearrange the following steps of the soil preparation in the correct order. Rearrange the following steps of soil preparation in the correct order. Okay. We have A, application of manure. Number B, leveling. Number C, primary cultivation. Number C, land clearing. Number D, land clearing. Number E, secondary cultivation. We need to rearrange that steps of soil preparation. What the first, what the end? What the last, what is the first? I finished to write the answer. The answer is first is land clearing. Second is primary cultivation. The third is application of manure. The fourth is second cultivation. The last one is leveling. Okay. First of one is land clearing. Second is the primary cultivation. Third is application of manure. Fourth is second cultivation. Number 5 is leveling. Question 19. How are insects like bee, moth, and butterflies important to farmers? How are insects like bee, moth, and butterflies important to farmers? How? Write the answer on your paper, okay? Write the answer. The answer is the bee and moth and butterflies are important to farmer because they help in pollination of crops. They help in pollination of crops, okay? This is the answer. Question number 28. Where do mosquitoes breed? Where do mosquitoes breed? Write the answer on your paper. Where do mosquitoes breed? The answer is mosquitoes breed in stagnant water, okay? Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Yes. Number B. Which types of mosquitoes spread malaria? Which type of mosquitoes spread malaria? Write the answer on your paper, okay? Which type of mosquito spread malaria? The answer is the type of mosquito spread malaria is called female anopheles mosquito. Female anopheles mosquito. Question number C. Number C. Name the germ that causes malaria. Name the germ that causes malaria. The germ that causes malaria is called, write the answer on your paper, is called Plasmodium, okay? Plasmodium is the germ that causes malaria. Question number D. How can we control the spread of malaria? Give any two ways. Two ways that can we control the spread of malaria. Write the answer on your paper. Okay, the answer is the ways that can we controlling the spread of malaria is sleeping under treated mosquito nets, draining stagnant water. Okay? First one is sleeping under treated mosquito nets. Second one, draining stagnant water. Okay? Yes. Question number 21. Name two sources of waste. Name any two sources of waste. Write the answer on your paper, okay? The answer is the two sources of waste is homes, factories, markets, and so on. Homes, factories. We have the waste from homes, waste from factories, waste from markets. Yes. Number 22. What is recycling? Write the answer on your paper. What is recycling? Recycling is the process of converting waste material into new useful products. Is a process of converting waste materials into new useful products. Okay, that is the answer. Question number B. Write any two examples of waste that can be recycled. Write two examples of waste that can be recycled. Two examples of waste that can be recycled are, write the answer on your paper. Okay? Write the answer. Yes. The answer is plastic, paper, yes, irons, or steel waste, or iron waste can be recycled. Okay? Recycled. Question number 23. 8. State 3 human activity which can lead to air pollution. State 3 human activities which can lead to air pollution? Write the answer on your paper. 3 human activities which can lead to air pollution. Okay, the answer is the human activities which can lead to air pollution are burning rubbish, smoke from vehicles, factory emissions. Okay, burning rubbish, smoke from vehicles, factory emission. Okay, emissions, factory emissions, burning rubbish, smoke from vehicles, factory emissions. Okay, question number 24. How do trees help to reduce air pollution? How do trees help to reduce air pollution? Write the answer on your paper. How do trees help to reduce air pollution? Write the answer on your paper, friend. Quickly. Okay, I mean you finish, okay? Trees help to reduce air pollution by absorbing carbon dioxide, okay, and releasing oxygen. Trees help to reduce air pollution by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Okay, this is the answer. Question number 25. This is the last question. Okay. The alimentary canal runs from dash dash and end in the dash dash dash. Alimentary canal runs from dash 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 and ends in the dash dash dash. The answer is alimentary canal runs from the mouth, okay, and ends in the anus. This is the end of the lesson of today. You have, how many marks do you get? How many marks do you get? Bye. I love you. Write in the comment the marks you get. When you fail, you have to repeat. Okay? Goodbye. I love you.